Hello, guys. Welcome to GoMiller, the premier email marketing platform that helps you connect with your audience and grow your business seamlessly. With GoMiller, you can create targeted campaigns, automate your emails, and track your results for increased conversions. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore GoMiller's newly enhanced credit system designed to offer you greater flexibility and control over your marketing budget. Before we dive into the how-to, let's break down how it works. Instead of adding money directly to your wallet, you can now purchase credits based on specific rates. For instance, if your rate is 1 naira per email and you top up 5,000 naira, you'll get 5,000 email credits. Easy, right? Here's the best part. You can now choose when your credit expires. This gives you more control and helps with budgeting for specific campaigns. Now, let's walk through how to top up your wallet on GoMiller. First, log into your GoMiller account. Look for the user icon in the top right corner and click it. Select Refill Wallet from the drop-down menu. Enter the number of credits you want to purchase. The system will display the amount payable based on your rate. Choose an expiry date for your credits using the calendar picker. Click the next button to proceed. Then, select your preferred payment method from the available options. Review your order details and click Proceed to pay. Complete the process method through the secure gateway. Let's recap the benefits of GoMiller's credit system. Simplified budgeting with credit-based purchases, flexible expiration dates for better campaign management, and quick and secure top-up process. By adopting the system, GoMiller is committed to providing you with more control and transparency in your email marketing efforts. If you're yet to, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you and see you in the next guide.